G'day lovelies and welcome back. Alright, are you ready for this? Choc and raspberry cookies. Alright, before I go any further, a lot of people say to me, we live in Australia, they're called biscuits. My belief is a biscuit is something that is hard and crunchy, and a cookie is something that is crunchy on the outside and chewy on the inside. So today I'm making cookies. First thing we want to do is preheat our ovens at 180 degrees Celsius. We want to grab out some baking trays or a baking tray with some baking paper. I'll write the recipe below as always. Once our butter's nice and soft, we want to get 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar. Now when you put it in there, you want to pack it down really firm. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 1 egg. We want to get our electric beater out and we want to beat it up until it's just all combined and mixed in. Once we've done that, which literally takes 30 seconds, set it aside for a minute. Now in another bowl we want to sift 1 cup of plain flour and 1/4 cup of self-raising flour. To that we add 1/2 teaspoon of bicarb soda or baking soda and 1/3 cup of cocoa powder, and now we want to mix it in. Now once we've done that, if you're using the block chocolate, you want to chop it up now. So the recipe is 100 grams, but I always use 1 cup chopped. Get our butter mix. Now we want to put 1/2 of the flour in first and stir that through, and then we put the other 1/2 in and stir that through. So stir, I mean push down with the back of the spoon. Once we've mixed that in, we want to add our chocolate and our 125 grams of frozen raspberries. And now we want to mix them in. Once we've mixed that in well, and yes, it is a workout, grab out a tablespoon measurement. Okay, so get a level tablespoon measurement. Get your hands wet and then just damp them off a little bit with a tea towel so they're just a little bit wet. Grab it out into a ball onto our tray. Once we've done that, we just want to press them down just a little bit to flatten the tops. And then we bang them in our oven. Oh my God, mate, the smell in here is frigging amazing. 13 minutes later in my electric oven. Oh. So when you're touching them and they don't fall apart, they stay whole, they're ready. So electric ovens tend to cook a lot hotter than a gas oven. So in a gas oven, they may take up to 15 minutes. Now you can't just pick them up or they'll fall apart. So grab the tray with a thing, get your bit of paper, slide them out onto a bench somewhere and keep on going. Mate, just like that, we have got some insane cookies. Best eaten cold. Let's see if I can get in your view here. Oh my God, mate, these are freaking amazing. You want to store these bad boys in an airtight container in the fridge and they will last up to a week. If you love chocolate and you love raspberries, you've got to give them a crack. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day and I'll see you soon. Toodles!